In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook not loading on Chrome using a few simple steps that can solve the problem quickly without needing any advanced tech skills. This is a really common issue, and it can happen because of temporary browser glitches, a weak internet connection, cached files, or even JavaScript being turned off in Chrome. So if Facebook is stuck loading, blank, or just not opening properly, follow along step by step. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, restart Google Chrome completely, close the browser fully, then open Chrome again and try loading Facebook one more time. Sometimes a simple restart is enough to fix temporary glitches in the browser that stop websites from loading the way they should. If Facebook still won't load, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is connected properly and that your internet is working normally. A slow or unstable connection can make Facebook time out or fail to load. You can test this by opening another website and seeing if it loads without any issues. If other websites are also slow, then the problem may be with your connection instead of Chrome. Now let's move to the next step, which is hard refreshing Facebook. Open Facebook in Chrome, then press Ctrl plus F5 on your keyboard. This forces the page to reload without relying on old cached files, which can sometimes be outdated or corrupted. If the page was stuck because Chrome was showing an old version of Facebook, this refresh can help a lot. If that still does not fix it, the next step is to clear Chrome cache and cookies. To do that, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete on your keyboard. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window. Make sure you select cookies and other site data as well as cached images and files. Then set the time range to all time so you remove everything that could be causing the issue. After that, click Delete Data. Corrupted cookies or cache files can stop Facebook from loading properly, so clearing them often solves the problem. Once that is done, there is one more important setting to check, and that is JavaScript. Facebook needs JavaScript to work properly, so if it is disabled, the site may not load correctly. To check this, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome, then go to Settings. In the left menu, click Privacy and Security, then choose Site Settings. Scroll down until you find JavaScript and open it. Make sure the option that says sites can use JavaScript is enabled. If JavaScript is turned off, Facebook may appear broken or may not load at all. After enabling it, close the Settings tab and try opening Facebook again. By now, one of these fixes should get Facebook loading properly in Chrome again. If the problem was caused by a browser glitch, internet issue, cached data, or JavaScript settings, this should take care of it. If this tutorial helped you, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and useful fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.